Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. TNT, we're staying in healthy mood here on this Saturday morning. Thanks for taking time to share a cup with us. It is time for Fit Food on A Cup of Joe. And this morning, our health coach has dropped by with vegetables in a bottle.
Again.
She puts vegetables in every container she could find. Vegetables in a bottle. Paola Henderson,
Yes.
our health coach, is here. Paola, how are you doing?
I am great.
Shredded vegetables in a bottle.
Yes.
That's my layman description.
Yeah. Well, no, this is something I kind of came up with over the summer, because summer is usually extremely hot.
Right.
And so what I did is I took water-based vegetables and I said, oh gosh, coming home and looking at the vegetables and you have to peel and you have to cut and what to do and how do you preserve vegetables. So I said, well, what about pickling them? I know we know about pickles with using the cucumber. So I said, well, how about if I grate them and I bottle it and I make it into pickles? Instead of just plain cucumber, we can pickle some carrots, onions. I've done cabbage, beets, different things like that. And so this way of doing it, you preserve it. So it doesn't only just last for a certain amount of time. By pickling it, the salt and the vinegar that goes into it will preserve it for much longer. So you can use this up to a year or more.
Does it affect the nutrients in the vegetables? I mean,
No,
I know that would be a question you would have.
Yeah. No,
No?
it's because it's not cooked. It's just there being preserved. So this is really nice for adding it into your salads, or if you're having a nice sandwich. Instead of just having it just with lettuce, by putting this pickles, it flavors it up a little bit more, or adding it to whatever meals, or if you want to serve it with cricks and cheese.
Which is what,
and the colors and everything are just so attractive. So, we eat with our eyes.
Yeah.
So this is really, really good. And there's only really 3 components: vinegar, water, and salt, right?
Equal parts water, vinegar?
I have it on my website, but
Right.
what happens because it's water based and the salt, it will draw its own water. So I would put a little bit more vinegar. You can use white vinegar or you can use apple cider vinegar. I recommend apple cider vinegar because it has the mother in it, which means that it has a bit of probiotics in there, which is really good for alkalizing your body. And then you can put a little bit of sugar in it too to make it more like a bread and butter. And then you can add spices such as dill, celery seeds,
So you
mustard.
can flavor this however you
want, whatever flavors that you want, Then again, you could just make it very simple: water, vinegar, salt.
Right.
And
But
that's it.
people want a guide to how they can do it. They can check your website,
Yes.
Paola Henderson.
Yeah, so this is just really this has nothing added to it. It's just the vegetables sliced up.
Serious?
You can just get a mandarin and do it. So this is just plain. I just put a little bit of salt to draw out some of the water, but I'm not finished yet. Wait, we're gonna. I know you're rushing. So what we're gonna do is we'll just add a little bit of salt. This is how I do it.
So this is just the plain vegetables?
This is just the plain vegetables. It is not seasoned or anything. So I'll just add a little salt. I'll add the apple cider vinegar.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yes.
I know that is very strong.
Yes. No, but I mean, it only reached here,
Right,
it still has
and then
a
you're
lot.
diluting.
So I'm just diluting it a bit, and then you can add mustard seeds, dills as well is really nice, and celery seeds. So this is like a pickling spices that they usually use. And that's it. You just cover it back.
Whoosh, it smells just kick up a...
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just cover it back, give it a little shake, and the water will draw, and I will just leave it into the fridge. But this one is already done.
So how long will it take to pickle?
You can about 3 days, but I mean you can start eating it right away. It's not gone bad or anything that you have to wait, But 3 days until it pickles.
Right.
And then I kind of just put a little bit of cricks and cheese here with the pickles. So it adds more flavor to our dishes, on sandwiches is really nice as well, and you're getting your vegetables there. And then again, you don't have to worry about the wastage when it's going to go bad. You're just leaving it in the fridge.
And one of the things I think is that I just had carrots, onions, cucumbers,
and I have red onion in here.
and it did not feel
Yeah.
like I ate vegetables.
Yes.
Yeah, because the pickling really like adds a kind of different flavor to the vegetable.
Yes.
So I didn't feel like I ate vegetables.
Yeah.
This is fantastic, Paola.
Yeah, and then you put it, I recommend putting it in a glass jar, and it's just very pretty to eat. It's very attractive.
And you can keep this as I said for
And you can just keep it up to a year or more.
it lasts so long.
Yeah.
Pickled vegetables.
Yeah.
But this is those fancy mandarin things that could
Yeah, you could just get a mandarin or any little thing that slices, you know. Yeah, again, you can do it with your knife, however you want.
No.
But if you want to get the effect of this, a mandarin. A mandarin, it's very easy to do it.
Mandarin, yeah.
Yeah.
You can't use a food processor.
Or no, you don't have to cut it like this. You know, you can cut it in like a coin, like rounds. So any way you want to cut it, it still would pickle. Right. Some people actually put the whole carrot in there, or the whole cucumber, like how you get the pickle. So
that sounds like a lazy man move, like myself.
Exactly.
Yeah,
so anyhow you want the shape to be, you
can put
just
it in
do
there, and it will pickle.
And it will pickle. The fact is there.
Oh wow. Wow, Paola Henderson, our health coach. Pickle your vegetables. It will last longer, and you can have vegetables anytime you want. If you bottle 2 or 3 bottles like this.
Yes, no excuses. Yeah.
No excuses to get your vegetables in. To get your vegetables in. Paola, thank you very much for joining me this morning once again. Fit Food. Much more to come, folks. I'm jumping into the kitchen next to roll out a recipe on TriniCooks.com. Come on back.